Want to know the 2 ways to find someone on Facebook by phone number? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find someone on Facebook by phone number. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings and privacy option at the bottom. Again, tap on the settings option. Likewise, under the Meta Account Center, tap on the See More in Account Center option. Furthermore, under the Account Settings section, tap on your Information and Permission option. Moreover, tap on the Upload Contacts at the bottom. Finally, toggle the switch right beside the Continuous Contacts Upload option. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Finally, you can search your friend by their phone number. If it doesn't work, there is another way of finding someone on Facebook by their phone number. Firstly, open any browser in your device. Then tap on the search bar and search for Find Your Facebook Account. Tap on the first result on your screen. Finally, enter the phone number of the person you want to find. Here you can see their username. Finally, go back to the Facebook and search for the profile. So this is how to find someone on Facebook by phone number. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.